Hi, everybody. I am Teresa Paul. I'm an executive leader with Avon, and I'm just saying hi. And some of you have not been able to log in at our new website yet. So I just wanted to do a little quick video for you if you're still having trouble getting on the website, to just help you out here. If you're trying to log in on your phone or your tablet and you're using the old Avon Now app, delete it. Get rid of that app. It is no good. Does nothing for us anymore. It's no good. There is a new app. It's called Avon Go, but we're not going to start with that. We are going to start, just go to avon.com. No more avonnow.com. No more youravon.com. Everything we do is at avon.com. So you're going to go to avon.com and you're going to log in. I have a video here that I'm going to share with you with the login steps. So, and it's easier if you do it from a computer with your phone in your hand, but if you can't, and if you're doing it on everything on your phone, just remember that you can't close these screens. You're gonna have to toggle back and forth between the windows or the tabs. So don't close anything and try and go back to it during this initial setup process at avon.com with the new website, okay? If you have not been able to log in or get set up yet. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna share the screen here and I'm gonna walk you through it step by step, signing into the new avon.com website for the first time. So be sure you have access to the email address that's on file for your Avon representative account, okay? Because you're gonna get an email with a security code that you're going to need to enter. And you're going to be required to create a new password. So to begin, I'm going to pause this while we're going through it. I hope you saw that. You're going to go to avon.com. Let me go back here. You're going to go to avon.com and you're going to click on sign in. And this is showing it to you on a cell phone because almost everybody uses a cell phone now instead of a computer, even though this is a little easier the first time on the computer. But it's the same steps, the same process. So you're going to go to avon.com and click on sign in, okay? And when you sign in for the first time, use your account number or the email address associated with your Avon account. But let me pause this again because sometimes as representatives, we set up a customer account to shop on our website too. And some of us used the same email address that was on our Avon account. So if you can, just log in with your Avon account number in case you did that. And do not use the sign in with Facebook or Google or anything like this when you're first doing this for the first time, okay? So you're just gonna enter your email address or your account number. Then click continue. Then you're going to check your email for the security code. Pausing this again. Do not close out of this to check your email. So I don't know if you guys know how to toggle back and forth between tabs and windows on your phone. But down here at the bottom, looks like it's an Android phone. And down here at the bottom, there's usually like a little square or something that'll minimize the window without closing it. And you can go in and select the other tabs. So you can minimize that. Go to your email, then go back and click this little thing down at the bottom to go back to the other screen. That's called toggling back and forth. Or if you're in your browser tab, see up here at the top, this little number 5 in the pink bar up here. I don't know if you can see that. That means there's actually 5 tabs open in your browser. And if you click on that, it'll show you all the tabs that you have open. So you can toggle back and forth between tabs there in your browser. Some people don't know this, so you're getting a little lesson here too. If you have an iPhone, I know nothing about it. But so those are little tips, because if you close this window and go check for your security code and come back, it's going to tell you it's invalid values and you're going to have to get a new code. So that's another reason that it might be easier to do it on a computer instead of on your phone, because then you can go back and forth without closing things a little bit easier. But just a little lesson there. Okay, keep going because I'm taking up too much time. So it might take a few minutes for the email to arrive. The code is only good for 20 minutes. Also check your spam folders. If you have Gmail, check your promotion folders. So then you're going to enter the security code. and click continue. And then you're going to create a new password. Make sure you have everything that it requires. You're going to add a phone number because you're going to get a call to verify you for your account security again. So make sure this is a phone number that you can easily answer, because you have to pick up the phone and press the pound key on the phone when the call comes through. So then click on save. Then it's going to ask you to sign in with your new password. Okay. The sign-in link is replaced with the little icon up there, and you are in your account. Okay, so I'm going to stop the share. So that's the steps to get you into the website. Once you get into the account, there's some really excellent training on how to use this new website. So you're going to go up. There's an Avon U link up here at the top, but that doesn't always work. I like to go through the Manage Business. See, if you hover over this Manage Business under Seller Central, it says Avon U Training. It opens up the training link, Avon U. So I'm doing this on the computer, even though I showed you the other on the phone. And if you go over here, this is really tiny. Let me see if I can make it a little bigger. Over here, gosh, I lost everything. The resource library down there. Scroll down the side over here to resource library. And then over here, the first thing it says the new avon.com site. Click on that. Then click on English or Spanish. And there's training videos, how to use the website. There's printed out things, how to use the website. There's all sorts of information here about the new website. It's not really that hard to use, but that's your first setup steps for now. Okay, because once you get on the website, I'm going to tell you the first thing that you're going to need to know if you're trying to place an order. Go down here, shop by product number. That's my favorite way to do it. You can select your customers out of that list, enter the product number, click add to order. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for joining me. Let me stop this share again. And I'm sorry, I made that longer than I wanted it to be, but I'm going to do some more videos about some other things to help you get started as well. All right.